A very good morning to you all children. Do you know who am I? I am your previous nursery teacher. I hope you all fine and well at home. Okay, today I am going to teach you a new English lesson. It is very interesting. Before I am teaching, I would like to ask you some questions. Children, can you tell me? Daily you are watching so many things around your house. Can you tell me some things? Yes, you might have seen people, animals, birds, vehicles, so on. Children, these animals are very helpful to us. They are very friendly. We can see them and we can touch them. For example, cow and buffalo give us milk. The dog guards our house. If thief enter into our house, the dog do not allow the thief. Like that. But children, we cannot see directly and we cannot touch some animals. But we can see them in our TVs. Can you tell me the animals? Yes. You might have seen lion, tiger, giraffe, zebra, hippopotamus. These are all you can see in your TVs, children. But these all animals are living with us? No, they are living in some place, that is forest. Why these all animals are not living with us? Because they are very dangerous. If they enter into our hometown, they will kill us and eat. So they live in the forest. We also live in our houses. No, this is the place where we live. Like that, the animals also live in the forest. Children, if you want to see the animals directly, can you go to the forest? No, you should not go to the forest because the animals, they roam in the forest as they wish. If you go to the animals, they may harm you. Some animals might kill you. So, you should not go to the forest. If you want to see these all animals directly, the place is there. Can you tell me the place? Very good. Yes, the zoo. The zoo is a place where all types of animals they kept and they displayed for the people to see. Today our lesson is about zoo. Children, today our new lesson name is at the zoo. The name of the lesson is, children, this is our second lesson. The name of the lesson is Zoo. The name of the lesson is at the zoo. Children, this is your English textbook. See children, the name of the lesson is at the zoo. See children, what is the name of the lesson? At the zoo. Children, see, some animals are there. They want to tell something about themselves. Let us see what they are telling about them. See, children, what is this children? Can you tell me? What is this? Yes, very good. This is a tiger. Children, tiger is telling something. Let us see. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. The tiger is telling its name. Children, you all are having your names, no? For example, what is the name of this? This is the blackboard. What is the name of this? This is the name of book. Like that, the animal also having its name. It is telling the name. What is the name of the tiger here? Sher Singh. What is the name of the tiger? Sher Singh. Children, what is the spelling of tiger? Let us see. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Children, what is the name of the tiger? Sher Singh. Yes. H-E-R, Sher. Yes. I-N-G-H, Singh. The name of the tiger is Sher Singh. See children, Sher Singh is telling itself, I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. This is telling about itself. Now, what is the next one, children? Can you tell me? Children, this is one of your favorite. You can see this in your favorite cartoon channel. That is Masha and the Bear. Yes, very good. This is the bear. Bear also telling something to us. Let us see. I am Babu. I am a bear. Children, bear is telling its name. What is the name of the bear? The name of the bear is Babu. Babu is the name of the bear. What is the name of the bear, children? Babu. What is the spelling of bear? B-E-A-R, bear. What is the name of the bear? B-A-B-U, Babu. Babu is the name of the bear. Now, what is the next one, children? Children, this is very cunning. Tell me, what is this name? Yeah, wolf. Wolf is also telling something. I am Willy. I am a wolf. Wolf is telling that I am Willy. I am a wolf. Here, what is the name of the wolf? Willy. Willy is the name of the wolf. What is the name of the wolf here? Willy. W-O-L-F, wolf. What is the name of the wolf? Willy. Willy is the name of the wolf. W-I-L-L-Y, Willy. Willy is the name of the tiger. Now, children, Willy is the name of the wolf. What is the name of the wolf? Willy is the name of the wolf. Now, what is the next one, children? It is the naughty animal. It lives on trees. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, very good. This is a monkey. See, what is the name of the monkey here? Chotu. Chotu is the name of the monkey. What is the name of the monkey here? Chotu. Chotu is the name of the monkey. What is the monkey name here? Chotu. Tell me, children, you should look at the board. You should look at the book carefully. What I am telling you have to listen. I will ask you questions later. Listen. I am Chotu. I am a monkey. Monkey is telling its name. What is the name of the monkey here? Chotu. Chotu is the name of the monkey. What is the monkey, children? Monkey spelling, children? Yeah. Go. Yeah. K-E-Y. Monkey. What is the name of the monkey? Chotu. Chotu is the name of the monkey. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Chotu is the name of the monkey. Now, what is this, children? Can you tell me what is this? Already you learned in your previous classes. These are all names you learned in your previous classes. Tell me. Yes, good. This is a zebra. See, children, the body of the zebra is having black stripes. Can you observe? Yes, the zebra also telling its name. What is the name of the zebra here? I am Ben. I am a zebra. Zebra is telling its name. What is the name of the zebra? Ben. Ben is the name of the zebra. What is the name of the zebra here? Ben. Children, what is the name of the tiger here? Sher Singh. The name of the tiger is Sher Singh. What is the name of the bear? The name of the bear is Babu. What is the name of the bear? The name of the bear is Babu. Now, what is the name of the wolf here? Billy. Billy is the name of the wolf. Now, what is the name of the monkey here? Chotu. Chotu is the name of the monkey. Now, coming to this, what is its name? Its name is Ben. What is the children? This is a zebra. What is the name of the zebra here? Ben. Ben is the name of the zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Here what is the name of the zebra? Ben. B-E-N. The name of the zebra is Ben. Children, see, all these animals are telling themselves, but these all are only one animal, single. They are telling about each. If we want to say about ourselves, we should say I. But here some are there, more than one are there. They want to tell something about themselves. What they are telling? We are swans. See children, they are not one. They are more than one. How many swans are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 swans are here. See, they are telling about themselves. We are swans. Children, if we say single, we use I for a person or animal or a thing to indicate. I is used for indicate only one thing. If you want to use we, you should use more than one. We use we for a person or a animal or a thing if it is more than one. See, we cannot say I. Here we should say we are swans because these are more than one. So we are swans. These are telling about themselves that we are swans. Now, what are these children? These are also, see children, we already learned about Chotu. Chotu is the friend of this animal. These are also monkeys. But these are more than one. That's why we are using we. We should say we. Because if the thing is more than one, that time you use we. If the thing is only one, you should use I. Children, if we say anything about ourselves, we should say I. If we say about more than one, that time you have to use we. Children, we is the plural form of I. Children, if you say any single, I is used to tell about single thing. Whereas I is the we is used to tell about more than one. Okay, children? Okay. And again I will repeat the lesson. See children. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. Children, how to read also you have to learn. See, I am. I am. S-H-E-R, Sher. S-H-E-R, Sher. S-I-N-G-H, Sing. I am Sher Singh. I am. A-T-I-G-E-R, tiger. I am a tiger. I am B-A-B-U, Babu. I am Babu. I am A-B-E-A-R, Bear. I am a bear. I am Babu. I am a bear. I am Babu. I am a bear. Say children, you should say with me. I am Babu. I am a bear. Now, I am W-I-L-L-Y, Billy. I am Billy. I am a wolf. I am A-W-O-L-F, wolf. I am Billy. I am a wolf. I am believe. I am a wolf. I am CHOTU, Chotu. I am Chotu. I am MONKEY, monkey. I am a monkey. I am Chotu. I am a monkey. Now, I am BEN, Ben. I am Ben. I am ZEBRA, zebra. I am zebra. WEARARSWANS, swans. We are swans. WEARMONKEYS, monkeys. We are monkeys. Okay, children. This is today's new lesson. Children, I brought a small zoo for you. Why? Because you cannot go outside during this pandemic situation. So, I brought a small zoo for you. See, children, I brought this zoo for you. I'll show you some animals which live in this zoo. Let me show you. Children, can you tell me what is this? Say, children, what is this? Yes, this is monkey. Very good. This is monkey. Children, most monkeys live on trees. They eat some fruits also, children. You may see in your surroundings sometimes monkeys comes to our houses. Now, then I will show you the next one. Children, what is this? What is this, children? Can you tell me? Say, what is this? Yes, very good. This is giraffe. See, children, see, giraffe has long neck. This is the tallest animal. Children, giraffe eats grass and leaves of trees. Children, can you remember what is this? Can you say what is this, children? Yes, very good. This is an elephant. What is this, children? This is an elephant. See, children, the elephant has wide ears. So big ears the elephant has. See, children, the elephant has tusks. The teeth of an elephant, we can say tusks. Tusks. See, children, with these tusks, so many ornaments made up of with these tusks. See, children, the long trunk. Elephant is having a long trunk. Children, the elephant uses its trunk to eat, smell and eat food. Also, it drinks water with its trunk. Children, do you know the elephant carries heavy loads with its trunk? The elephant also have thick skin. Children, what is this, children? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a bear. You can see in your, already I told you in your cartoon, Masha and the bear. The bear and Masha, they are very funny cartoons, no? Okay. Children, what is this? Tell children, what is this? Yes, this is deer. See how it looks very beautiful. The spots on the deer also looking very beautiful, no? The deer is having, see, children, it lives in the forest. Children, if any animal comes to the deer, it runs very fast. Now, what is this, children? Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a zebra. What is this? Zebra. See, children, the body of the body of the zebra is covering with black stripes. Children, the zebra eats grass. Children, what is this, children? This is wolf. This is very dangerous animal. It kills some small animals. Children, what is this, children? Lion. Do you know lion is the king of the forest? See, children, I'll tell you one thing about lion. Children, if lion feels hungry, it hunts the animals and eats. But it do not feel hungry. It do not harm any animal. Even the animal goes before it. But there are some animals like wolf, tiger, they will kill the animals even they do not feel hungry. See, that much good habit lion has. This is the king of the forest. Children, what is this, children? Rhinoceros. We can call it as rhino. See, children, the pointed horn of the rhino. Have you seen the pointed horn of the rhino? Children, do you know the Chinese, they will use this horn for the Chinese treatment, medicinal treatment. They believe that if they use this horn to cure some diseases like sore throat, diarrhea, coughing and hallucination, they believe that the evil power also away if they use this horn. The children, the rhino is having a thick skin, children. Children, do you know what is this? Yeah, this is a tiger, children. Children, this is tiger. Children, this is very dangerous animal. Do you know, children, tiger is our national animal. Okay, children, have you seen? These all live in the zoo. Children, these all are called wild animals. They live in the zoo. Children, if you go to zoo, they caged in separate places. So you can go to zoo and you can see them. After coming out from this horrible situation, ask your parents to take to the zoo. Children, if you go to the Vizag or Hyderabad, there you can see so many animals in the zoo. You should go to the zoo. Children, I hope you listen my lesson well. You do your homeworks well at home. Tomorrow, I will tell you some words based on this lesson. Until then, bye-bye.